so on for life. Maybe you need it up there, but we're still run away and fly.
As you can see, the summer is over. Here we are with our jacket. Very chilly in the morning and even in the evening. So yeah, the summer is over. We are waiting for the next summer. I hope you are doing well. Beautiful weather today. If you can see here in Nottingham, beautiful town. I'm living here since 2015, so it's about 7 years here. Look here, the beautiful weather. Now I'm going to show you another part of Nottingham. This is Nottingham Castle. Beautiful. If you are here in Nottingham, come here to visit this castle. There's a museum inside. I'm here with the Robin Hood statue. I don't know if you can see properly. Anyway, a lot of people, they every year come here to visit this place. Full of museum in better angle. Robin Hood. So like I said before, I came here in Nottingham in 2015, and when I came here I didn't know the English. I didn't know nobody apart from my auntie, so it's a bit difficult that time, really difficult. I'm still struggle, you know, and yeah, and so I learned English here in Nottingham by working and go to school. This is the way I learn English, and I still struggle a bit right now, but I improve myself all the time. So really thank you so much for watching. This was just a quick video just to show you Nottingham. So I really appreciate that you watched till the end, and please subscribe, comment and share. Thank you. Have a nice and beautiful day. Bye.